everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is another Aliexpress haul, so I'm really starting to get them all recorded now, so I will just jump straight into it. So first off, I have some nail gems. So these are all from the same store, so I ordered some of these and they come in obviously all different sizes, as you can see. So I just thought they were really cute, and I really like my bright colours, as you all know. So yeah, I picked up them because they were quite inexpensive actually, so I picked up them ones. And I also picked up these ones. They're really pretty. I really like the colours on them, and I like that you've got all the individual ones. So yeah, I thought they were really cute, so I picked up them ones. And then they also have like little boxes as well. So what I did was, this is how they come, like this, and with with each one you get a little wax pencil. So I had 3 wax pencils. I'll probably keep one and just put one in like a friend mail or giveaway or something like that. But anyway, so these should be the same as them. So yeah, I needed to buy both. So yeah, look, so they are the same. So what you could do is, and what I will probably do is, put them in these ones, and then once they're used up I can just buy a pack of these and then just fill that back up, because I know that they are the same as them. As you can see, they're exactly the same. So I thought that was a really good idea. So yep, so these are exactly the same as them ones there, as you can see. So yeah, I thought that was really handy, so I haven't got to have more storage. So that's really good that I haven't got to buy even more storage. So that one goes with that one, and the same with this one. So these are the same as these ones here. So I can show you a better look at them actually without them being in the packet. So as you can see, they're very they're very sparkly, very pretty, and you get the same sizes as what is there. So yeah, it was really good. And then I also ordered these ones as well, which are just plain coloured ones, and these are mixed sizes in the one pack. So I got pink, blue, green, orange and yellow, and they are just as sparkly. Let me just open one up. So they are just as sparkly as all the rest, as you can see. And they weren't that expensive. So yeah, I thought that was a really good find, and I like that they come with the storage and you can just literally just fill them back up. So I think that's really good. So I think I'll go back and order some more of these ones just to fill these back up. So yeah, anyway, I've rambled on for ages about them. I just thought they were a really good idea, and you haven't got to buy all the extra storage because you've already got the storage container there. So yeah, and I also picked up this cleanup brush. I think, yeah, Faye recommended this one, so I thought, oh, I'll pick one up, and I'm going to go and get a backup. So this is the colour of it here, and it's a nice clean-up brush. So yeah, really getting there. I've got a really bad break on this nail, so if you keep seeing nail glue and everything keeps getting stuck to it, that has grown out from here, it's all the way across. It's held on with a tiny bit. So yeah, do excuse that nail, but there's nothing I can do because I can't file it down or anything. But anyway, so yep, yep, I got this. I also bought some of this stamping polish. Right, now I spoke to Aggie as well, because Aggie's got some. This stuff absolutely stinks. It probably smells, I would say, judging by the smell of it, probably smells like Mouteen. The stamping polishes, these stink like really bad. They stink so bad. Oh, they stink. But they weren't that expensive, but I will give them a try and see if they trigger a headache. If they do, they are going in the bin. But yeah, I thought I would show them anyway and let you know that they do stink real bad. Aggie will tell you, because I'm sure she might be floating in the comments. If she is, she'll tell you that they stink, really stink. But I thought I would show them anyway, because as I picked them up, I thought I would show you them. So I picked up some of this no wipe top coat. It should be, I haven't even checked it, just because I'm doing lots of, oh yeah, that's got a normal gel polish smell. It's an alright top coat, I suppose. I'll give it a try and see what it's like. Very inexpensive. It is in the plastic bottles, so it'd be really easy to knock over. So yeah, we all know that's going to be flying across the screen at some point. I just thought I'd pick it up because it was cheap and cheerful. From that same store, I ordered some more gemstones. So again, this is in a mixed pack of 6. Let's shake them out a bit. So this is what they look like. They're very pretty. We'll just see how they sparkle like once they're on the nail. Hopefully they'll hold their sparkle. I hope so, because they're quite pretty. So, but yeah, I picked up them as well. What else? Right, let's get on to the stamping part, because of course, you know, my last haul I didn't put the stamping plates in because it got far too long, but this time stamping plates are going in. So I bought another stamping plate case. So this one is hollow. Let me just get it out in 1 second. Okay, as you can see, it is like uber holographic and it's very big. So it has the double zip again. I do have another one of these. So it holds the regular plates. Let's see. I have a Beauty Big Bang one here. So you'd put them in like that and then you'd slide them out. And of course you have your pockets on this side for your extra goodies like your scrapers, all that kind of stuff. So that is one side of it, and this is the other side. So this again has got the pockets for the rectangle plates in there. I can't remember how many pockets it has. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. So yes, this is this one. Sorry if I'm blinding everybody. It's so holographic. It's unbelievable. So that is that one there. Give me 1 second. Let me go and get my other new one. So this is my other new one. This is so heavy. This is my other new one. So it's the same principle as the other one. Just this one is a blue hollow one. So the reason why I needed to get another one is because this is already full. So as you can see with these ones, you can't fit all backing plates in it. So I like do mainly backed plates, but every so often do like non-backed ones, like these Nicole Diary ones. They haven't got any backing on, so you do need to be a bit careful with them, otherwise you'll pop the zip. The zip is unended. So, but unended means it's just one continuous zip, so it hasn't actually got like, you know, like the zip lock end on it. So if they do come out, you can always take them out, redo it and glue them back in again, because I've had that happen on one of the other ones that I brought. So yeah, it's an unended or open-ended, I don't know, whichever the term is. I don't know, my mum told me, so I was just like, yeah, okay. So it's good. And then on this side, oh god, it's so heavy. On this side I have all like my smaller plates, so my round ones, my square ones, my little like essence ones. Oh, there's so many. That's one way round. Let me turn it around that way so you can see a bit better. So there's like all different plates. It's completely full. So yeah, as you can see, you know, I've got ones that I haven't used, ones that I have used. There's Nicole Diary, Born Pretty. You can fit all sorts in here. So yeah, that's just some of them. So you can fit a lot in that on this one, and I like that it's multi-sided. So if you haven't got an uber massive collection like I've got, and you've only got a small collection, this one would be perfect. This one was around sort of £14–15, which sounds expensive, but if you think about, if you need 2 separate, or maybe 3, whatever, separate ones, and you've only just sort of like started, I think probably this is probably a better investment rather than buying lots of different small ones. So yeah, anyway, let me get on, because we have the stamping plates. So from this store I ordered some of these because I just thought they were stinking cute. So these are little bow Fimos, and you've got lots of different ones in there, and I just thought, how cute. So yeah, and then from that store I ordered these. So if you saw one of my other hauls, you know that I've already got some of these. So I've got the Betty Boop one, and some other ones. So I went back and picked up the rest. So this is another Disney one. So this is number 0010, and you have the princesses and lots of different Mickey heads, and you've got Minnie and Mickey Mouse. You've got the Disney sign. I like this. This is really, really cute. So you've got Princess Jasmine, you've got Ariel, Tinkerbell, Cinderella, Snow White, all of them on there. So I thought that was really, really cute. So I will post pictures of the stamping plates at the end. Also picked up number 10, which is all different skulls. So I know Omia will probably like this one. So you have all different skulls on here. What does that say? I don't know, I can't make it out. But look at this one. It's like in like the lines. I don't know if you can really see that. This one's got like barbed wire on. Got ones with hats and all sorts. This one here, which is really cool. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. So I know Omnia will probably like that one. So that is that one there. I also picked up the star sign one. I thought this one was really, really nice, because you've got all the star sign, but they're all kind of like different. The camera will focus. So you have like the celestial, is that how it's termed? But anyway, you have all of them at the top, and then you have like the images, and then you have the like hieroglyphs, and then you have more images down here. It's all each of the star signs. So I thought it was really cool that you've got like a real variation of all different images, and that's number 11. I also ordered number 12, which is a Harry Potter. I haven't got any Harry Potter plates, so I thought this one was really, really cool. So yeah, you have the signpost here, which has got which has got all the different writing on. If I bring it right up, you might be able to see. And you have Harry's glasses, and yeah, lots of different images on there. So yeah, I picked up that one, and I also picked up this one, which is number 13. So this is like I can't think what you call it off the top of my head. I don't know, but there's like elephants, and there's even a horse head. I'm trying to angle it right. So you have a horse's head just there. Just trying to focus on everything else rather than what I'm... So you got a horse's head here, seahorse, lots of different animals. So you have a couple of elephants on here, parrot, monkey, cats, a bear, a whale, swan, reindeer, all sorts. That's a zebra, I think, bear. So yeah, I picked up that one. I thought that one was really cool. So that is number 13. And then the last plate and the last thing in this haul, because this is really long. This is obviously Old English. So you have the alphabet, you have it in 3 different script, and then you have 2 different script of numbers as well. So I thought this one was really cool, and I really wanted to play it like this. I just think it's really cool. I absolutely love it. So yeah, don't think I need any more alphabet plates. Maybe. Anyway, so that is number 14. So I will post pictures at the end of the stamping plates. I will see. I mean, it's nearly 16 minutes long, so I will just post pictures of the stamping plates just so you can pause and have a look. If there is any links you want, let me know. I will try my best to put all the links in the description box. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned for more stamping plate hauls, because I have like, I don't know how many to record, lots anyway. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below of these ones, if you have a favourite or not. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye. Me again, I also forgot to show these. These look very they look very pretty on camera. They're quite cheap and cheerful, but for what I want them for, they are ideal. So they come in a butterfly and a heart shape. I'm not sure whether to paint the back or not. So I got these for like my swatching videos. With regards to the swatching videos, let me know if you want me to swatch them on tips like this, or whether you want me to swatch them on swatch sticks, because obviously the size of the nail is very different. As you can see, there's a big difference between the size of the nail. So let me know whether you want them on little ones like this or actual swatch sticks. So yeah, and I don't know whether to paint the backs or not. Anyway, let me know down below. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I hope you will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye.